Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have been using this circle of wood that I got from Walmart. I need some stickers, or if you have Cricut machine, gonna be awesome. I'm gonna use my Cricut machine to make stickers with the vinyl. I'm gonna make a cute project that says, "Welcome to our home." I need this spray, paint spray. I chose the white. You can choose any color. I'm gonna add a ribbon and some greenery to decorate this sign. You can hang it in your home for decoration. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you enjoy my video, and just follow my steps. Okay, this is my laptop. I'm gonna use my Cricut machine. So the sign is ready. So I'm gonna press next. It's vinyl. Before, and this is my Cricut machine. I'm gonna press the button. The loop will not go inside. Then, so it's ready. Just click and